Kumusta ka aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y wag mong intindihin, nakakaraos din.
Wala nang money, wala pang honey.
During our seminar in the Philippines, they said na do not bring family picture, just bring your letter of loan. Para daw wag ma-homesick. Where's someone ko, ama? Ikang ka. Because you miss the family, and then the old miss also their family. They feel you are her family already, and then you feel also that pataw. Yung mga sumuot na sa bag para letter of
Lai, Chilaya.
Sinay ka sa ikaw.
Hawa-hawakan.
Ayaw na, mahulog ka. Ayun, pumasok kapatid. Ano mo?
Nauulit ako. Ayan ka, nangingintod dun.
Ano, pwede na.
How do you feel that you are going home?
Maybe
Iri.
I look my two sons and I talk to them. What is your feel that I come back now? My husband is thinking I have another husband. I tell, why you think that to me? Maybe you do that.
Bilang isang manggagawa sa ibang bansa, ako'y nagpaalila para mabigyan ng karangyaan ang pamilyang aking naiwan.
Ayoko piyak! Don't cry! You have another 8 years and 9 months. No, if I finish this, it's close. I don't think, don't say that. Maybe if you have a dream, maybe you plan to come back again.
Sarili ko'y tulad ng isang bituin, mawala man ay magbabalik din. Kaya mga mahal ko, huwag akong alalahanin, dahil ako'y kapara ng isang bituin.
Wala nang money, wala pang honey. Wala nang money, wala pang honey.